Kate in front of the camera.
And Maggie behind.
And I'm showing you how to put what we think was called our Christmas signposts, which is what we're giggling about because we can't remember. But anyway, so you're going to get a sheet like this. You get 2 in a pack. You get 2 large ones, and you get the same again in small as well. This is the large one. So I've done some of the tabbing, and I've taken some of those tabs. I've cut those, so we take some of these out. So that is my. So I didn't do that one properly. That's it, that's cut. Okay, so that's my post and stand. I'll come to that in a minute. We've got a little robin. So we just cut our little robin out. So you might tab him from the front as well. But just be careful because he's got a very, very slender beak and very thin legs. We've also got a greeting, which is in this case is Merry Christmas. So I'll just break the tabs on those, and we've also got, obviously I've got a perfect, lovely little pussy cat. This is one of Maggie's drawing ones. And we have succumbed.
Yeah, we've given in to pressure.
We have been bullied into pressure, and we have a cute little dog, and this little dog is called Ollie because he's based on my sister's little dog, who I can't remember what name of the breed it is, but it's a fluffy one.
And lots of you, if you've been to Harrogate when we were there, you will have met Helen because she was the lady
who could
work our till because we couldn't.
Because we can't. Okay, and you also get little rings. Now you get 4 rings in your set. You only need 2. The reason why you got 4 is that they are quite delicate and you might break them. So you got 2 spare. So
they shouldn't break, but we just wanted to make sure
they can. So you just
that you had enough.
So you break the tab, which I have done, and you just push them through from the back. Just be careful because they are quite delicate. That's it. And that one, I think, yes, I have done that one. So just push that one through. That's it. So just take your time doing that. That's it. So you push through. So these 2 are spare. Okay, so I'd leave them in there unless you actually need them. So, to put the stand together, really complicated. You need a bit of glue in the middle. And then you just push that like that. Take off any excess glue, and that is the stand done. Okay?
That was difficult.
And then I will decorate it at that point. I wouldn't decorate it before, I'll do that bit and then decorate it. So you can colour it with pens. Alcohol pens work really nicely with it. I'm doing a smaller version for a WI class, and we're doing it on Zoom, so we're going to have to give everybody a kit. And some people won't have any paints at home, so you can do it in coffee. So a really strong coffee will do it as well. So you can stain it with coffee as well. So, and then you've got your little robin, and I would give him a big blob of glue to stick him, and just wait, because he does need to stick quite well on there.
Would you paint these all before you stick them now?
Yes, I would do, because there's nothing precision particularly about it now. So your Merry Christmas is just remove any little bits from the Merry, and again you can colour that in. What's worked really well with this is just alcohol pens over the top and then a bit of glossy accents, so it's a nice easy way of colouring it without any mess, and it doesn't swell it at all because the alcohol doesn't do that. So just push those out. Got that. So that's designed to fit onto here. If you want to use something else, then do so and use it for something else. But so you can stick your Merry Christmas on there, which I do. So just put a tiny bit of glue on. And squeeze that on. And then you can choose whether you want a cat and a dog, or you can have both. So
what will you be having, Kay?
I'm going to have a little pretty cat. I'm going to have both actually because I can. So I'm going to put a little pretty cat there. Obviously I would have decorated them first. And then I'm going to put my Ollie dog there. So that's Ollie. Ollie's going to be there, like that. So he's looking up right at the post. So actually I'm going to put him about there actually. I don't want his nose on the post.
Not cocking his leg on the post, that's the most important thing.
Okay, and then, oops. Okay, that's my dog, and then I'll just put a little blob up here from the bobbin. Okay, you do need quite a little bit of glue on that. And of course then you've got snow you want to put on there as well. So it's been bobbins sitting on there.
This is a lovely design you've done, Kay.
Well, it was inspired by Denise from Project Bin, so that was the inspiration for it. Right, so these bits fit. So I'll move that out of the way for a sec.
I'm going to zoom in a little bit, Kay.
Right, so these fit in like that. So you just push that in. You have got a little bit of flex. Can you see that? A little bit of flex. I've got glue all over it. And you just push these on like that. So it does that. Okay, again, you can decorate these before, and I wouldn't over wet them, but you can decorate these beforehand. Okay, so you got like that. So this now fits onto your stand. So if that's the front of your stand, so you want to put these bits, so I'll just put this on first, will fit just like that, and that fits in. Just put that at an angle, and that is your little stand.
That is so lovely.
And
You could put your grandchildren's picture on the back. You could have little table name places, all sorts of things.
So you can have it front or back. You don't have to put the Merry Christmas on. You can use that for something else, or put it somewhere else, and you can have a pub sign on, your favourite pub sign on there, all sorts of things. But anyway, that's how you put those together.
Beautiful.
Okay.